Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can add watermarks in Microsoft Word. So first up here, going to open up your Microsoft Word, and then from here, go to Design tab right there at the top, and then go to the top right and click on Watermark. So from here, once you click on this watermark option, you'll find a 4 default watermark that you can use. For example, you just have to double click and it will automatically apply to your document. And you can also customize the watermark. So for example, here, I just have to remove the watermark first. So click on this one. And then again, click on custom watermark. And then you can go to picture watermark. You can select a picture that you want to set up as your watermark. Or you can basically customize the text right here. So go to text watermarks and then go to the text and type right here. For example, I want to type the channel name, which is Quick How To's. And once done, click on OK button. Once you just apply, as you can see, it is now visible to your document. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.